Hey guys, so welcome back to a new video. In this video I will explain everything about Payoneer in this complete tutorial and review. So what is Payoneer? First of all, you need to learn that you need to know it's a global payment platform used by freelancers and businessmen to receive international payments. Not just a countrywide transactions, it is used to receive or send international payments. Some key features included in Payoneer. For example, multi-currency account, prepaid MasterCard, easy withdraw to your local bank, invoice generation and worldwide money transfer. Where you can find this application, just go to your Google Play Store, then need to search Payoneer, which is an official one. You don't need to worry about its privacy. Now the question is how to use Payoneer. Simply sign up with your email, verify your account and link your bank. Once approved, you can start receiving payments from clients and withdraw them easily. You can get that. The common question is the Payoneer safe or not? Yes, Payoneer is a regulated. Regulated means which have a licensed financial service with bank level security. So it's safe for freelancers and businesses, yeah, or businessmen. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.